Hello coders, I'm back again with another Excel video. In this video, I'll be guiding you on how to create progress bar. So these are the marks obtained over some subject based on some examination. Now the progress bar will be based on the 95 means the progress bar will be a longer one, while 95 so 25 a smaller one. So these are marks. Now if you are being asked that convert this textual data and add a percentage at the end of it, what you can do is that you can select this range of cell. After that you can right click on it and go to this particular section, format cell. From there go to the custom section and from here general. Now number are being represented by hash and text are being represented by at the rate. So after hash means the number, it is 59, whatever it is showing in the sample, will be concatenating a percentage. So whatever input you are feeding in to the Excel, the user given input, your word should be within double quotation. Now press enter. Now comes how you can use the progress. So we can use the function rep. So rep will be taking, it will just repeat a text. What it would repeat? It would repeat this part and it would repeat the number of times based on the marks. Let me close the braces and press enter. Now I'll be pressing all the way across to the down. So down. So that's the progress bar is coming. Now this progress bar doesn't come just all of like that. So if I write in here a heading maybe scratch. So let me use the function again, depth, and I will be repeating this pipe symbol how many times based on this particular marks. Let me close the braces, press enter. Now I will be selecting the range of cells just below it and press Ctrl D to duplicate. Now if you want this kind of cool looking bars to appear in your Excel sheet in these columns, instead of using the Calibri font, we'll be using a font known by the name of Playbill. So see, already it is showing. So if I just zoom my screen a little bit, so here it is showing that the font is Playbill. Write it from your keyboard, Playbill. Hit enter. Now that's how you can get a progress bar in Excel. That's all for this particular video. Thank you all guys and happy coding.